Alright, first trick I take 4 ace. It's really true. Hearts, clubs, diamonds and spades. Now I shake it this 4 ace and now 1 ace turn over face down. Snap my finger, now this 2 ace turn over face down. Snap my finger, now this 3 ace turn over face down. Snap my finger, now this 4 ace turn over face down. Now I shake it this 4 ace and change 1, 2, 3, 4 queen. It's really amazing because this really true. It's really 1, 2, 3, 4 queen. Now snap my finger and change 4 ace. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. And now I teach you this really unbelievable turnover, unbelievable change, unbelievable pure sleight of hand card trick. So guys, share this video with your friend magician. Why not? Really? I don't know. Maybe your friend really magician. Why not? And now I teach really nice card trick. Let's go. So guys, first trick, you make a little setup. You take 4 queen and take 4 ace, right? Maybe you take 4 jack, maybe you take 4 10, 4 king. You take really any 4 cards, right? Look, your setup look like this. You take 4 queen, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, putting her like this. And next step, you take this 4 ace, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, and putting her like this. It's really easy setup. 4 ace and 4 queen, alright. So, and next step, you take this 4 ace and turn over like this. And now you make a spread this 4 ace and show it this 4 ace. And next step, your left hand make a spread these 4 cards because this is 4 queen, and now make you break these 4 cards and squeeze this pile like this. Of course, you save it your break 8 cards. 4 queen and 4 ace. I repeat. I take 4 ace, turn over, make a spread 4 cards, and now make you break this 4 queen and squeeze this pile and save it your break 8 cards. 4 queen and 4 ace. Alright. And next step, you take this 8 cards, 4 ace, 4 queen, and this pile drop it like this, right? Face down. So, alright, next step, you show it 4 ace. You take 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and this is 5 cards. You show it this ace of spades. I'm sorry, it's ace of spades like this. Look, 1, 2, 3, and show it this ace of spades. And now this ace of spades, this 5 cards, putting her like this, and 1 ace bottom of the pile and 2 ace top of the pile, right? And now you squeeze. I repeat. Look, I take 1, 2, 3, 4 ace, make move it like this, squeeze. Snap your finger and now you repeat 3 cards, deal 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, and now 1 card turn over face down. And now you repeat this pile, putting her like this, squeeze, snap your finger, and now you repeat, deal 1 by 1, 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, and now you repeat this pile, putting her like this. 2 cards face up, 1 face up, 2 cards. 2 cards top of the pile, 1 cards bottom of the pile. Squeeze, snap your finger, repeat, deal 1 by 1, 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, and this pile. Now this pile, putting her like this. 1 cards top of the deck, 2 cards bottom of the deck. Squeeze, snap your finger, take these cards, take these cards, and take these cards. This is 5 cards, right? And next step, you take these 3 cards, putting her like this, and squeeze. And now you take this pile in your right hand, and now you turn over these cards like this, and show it this 4 ace, change 4 queen. You take this queen, you take this 1 cards like this, and these 5 cards drop it like this. And now take this queen, squeeze, take this 4 queen, make a spread 4 cards, make a break this 4 ace like this, and squeeze this pile 8 cards and save it your break 4 queen, 4 ace. And now you make a change like this. You drop it this pile and turn over like this. Look. And this change really nice. Look. It's really unbelievable change. Of course, you covered this change like this. You showed this 4 queen. It's really true. Squeeze, save it or break. Your right hand covered this turnover pile, and now you move it like this. Snap your finger and turn over these cards like this. And show this 4 ace. It's really nice card X. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.